Hello once again everybody on YouTube land. You already know who it is. It's the one and only Adventure Link. Hey! But a different kind of video for you guys. As you can see, I got a box of brownie mix. Why we got a box of brownie mix? Good question. It seems a tradition on this channel. Every time I pass 1,000 subscribers, I make a sweet treat. Just recently, and by recently, I mean on Mario Day, March 10th of 2019. And it's called Mario Day because MAR10, get it? But yeah, I crossed 5,000 subscribers officially that day. So, you all know what time it's for. Show off a sweet treat and celebrate and get down with another 1,000 subscribers gained. Yay! Before we begin, I want to give a quick shout out to KY Leia on Facebook, aka KY on Patreon, for being a patron. And I want to say thank you in advance for helping us to get this far, 5,000 subscribers. As long as you guys keep rating, commenting, sharing to friends and family, and other people that's interested in my subject matter, as well as, ring that bell! And keep subscribing. It's my motivation to keep these videos going, so I want to say thank you to everyone who's watching, too, and everyone who's subscribed. So without further ado, let's get started! Okay, the first thing you want to do is start getting your oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, I got it preheated like this time, but it kind of went out as I was finishing the introduction, so yeah, take that for what it is, but you got to preheat that oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the first thing you got to do. Now, if we review these instructions, we're going to need 2/3 of a cup of oil, a quarter cup of water, 2 eggs. But I'm personally going to use about half that recommendation. Try to make it just a little bit healthier. Then after we put the eggs and the water and the oil in, then we stir it all. 50 strokes and spread into a pan. But before that, you got to grease it up with Crisco or pan spray or some butter or something. I'll show you some more tricks later. Now, as you can see, I got some eggs. But it's a half a dozen eggs. Oh, I guess it's done preheated. Oh, it's preheated, actually. I'll show you that a little later. But in any case, I got half a dozen eggs here. Perfect for these kinds of projects, especially when I don't even like eggs anyway. So with that being said, we're going to pick 2 eggs out of this carton. And we're going to smash them up. Well, smash them on the side. Like on the side and then dump it in the pan, of course. And then we go from there. Careful not to get the eggshells in your mixture bowl, though. That's one thing you do not want to do. And after we got our 2 eggs in the bowl, 2 eggs in the bowl. Now we got to get ready for our oil requirements, which, as said, is 2/3 of a cup of oil, but I'm going to use 1/3. And we still got to get that quarter cup of water in there. We put our oil into this mixing cup here. Measuring cup, rather. My bad. Put it in until it hits, say, the quarter line. Which it's probably, pretty much there. I'm not going to use much oil in this anyway. Then we go ahead and pour this into our mixing bowl here. And personally, I like to just, get my oil in and then get my water. Because the oil's going to leave a film in there anyway, so when I get some water in there too, it'll help rinse it out too. So we got that quarter cup of water there. See? Quarter cup of water. Then we go ahead and put this in. Now we're going to put pretty much all this batter in here. But I'm going to give you a quick tip, like I always do. Like always. That as soon as I open this bag, you know what I'm saying? Open the bag. Put in 95% of this into the mixing bowl. Leave a little bit in there. That way you can sprinkle the powder around inside your bowl. Or inside your baking pan anyway. Mega Man! Yes, we're also doing Mega Man during this show too. Right, this is taking a little bit longer than what it should. A little bit more, I guess. Right. Like I said, this is about what you want to leave in here. That way, you can put it in your baking pan after you grease it up. You know what I'm saying? Now we're going to get ready to put our mixer in here. We'll start off slow and then go up fast. This just mixing, so I don't think you want to see me mixing for like 3 minutes at once. I better cap this just in case. But yeah, I'm just going to let it go for a little bit just to give you a general idea, and then we'll pick up from there. Tip is that you want to probably hold this on the side too, that way it doesn't fly everywhere and you got a stable pan. And when you get your big mound of mix and all that squished together and mixed up, it should look something like this. Yeah. At this point, speaking of mounds, there's a thing called Almond Joy. If you want to put some almonds or something in here to make nutty brownies, I suppose you can do that too. But let's just move on. Now that we got our leftover brownie dust, now we got to take our cooking spray, or we're just going to use the poverty version from Kroger here, I suppose. So yeah, you just spray around in here, much you can get. Get the sides. Gotta get the sides. And try not to get it on the table. Waka 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 do 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 do. Yeah, we've moved on from Mega Man beatboxing to Toe Jam and Earl. Deal with it. Jam it. All right. Giggity. Wonder where that came from. That's Family Guy. That's not Toe Jam and Earl. That's Family Guy, man. That giggity. Giggity giggity. Giggity goo. All right. All right. We got the leftover brownie dust in there, so just shake it around a little bit. Make sure you get good coverage on all sides, and then you just pour your brownie mix into the pan. Again, make sure to coat it evenly. And of course, if it looks like this, you can always, after that, just move it around side to side. And of course, after you get your little mixture evenly distributed there, you put it in the oven. Personally, I'm going to put it in there for about, say, 30, 31 minutes. You're wondering why that says 27. Good question. Because this oven's got a cook timer on it. It should just come off, or it's beep or something when the 27 minutes are over. Additionally, I mentioned a preheated light. That lets me know that the oven's preheated and it's ready to go. Remember last time I had an oven on light, it would just go off and on when it was preheated. Like, you just let it go, and then when the oven on is off, you're good to go. Yeah. So, I'll see you in about a half hour or thereabouts. For the bowl, you already know what to do with this. You can either lick the bowl out or give it to your kids or your little nephew or niece or cousins or whatever. Let them lick it out. Whatever. And, of course, whenever you get everything, put in the oven, button back up, then, you got to clean up your mess. See? Got to clean up that mess. Got to clean up that mixer blade. I got to clean up this little bit of shrapnel on the table here. Oops. Oh well, at least a messy kitchen's a hard-working kitchen, within reason. I guess my new oven is beeping at me, so I guess it's done. Now we'll just see how done it is. Nice. Let's just make this thing shut up and I'll get this out in a safe manner. And from here, I suppose you just let it cool for about, say, 10-15 minutes-ish. Then when it's cool enough, I guess from there, if you want to frost it, or eat it, by all means, have at you. And until then, you can celebrate with me by baking the same exact cake or drink your favorite alcohol drinks and beverage. Responsibly, of course. Like, don't do any DUI or none of that other nonsense. At the time I put this video on YouTube, it is St. Patrick's Day, so do be careful of that and be aware of, your limits of drinking. And if you feel, off and drunk or whatever, do the right thing. Get a buddy, get a designated driver, get a cab, get an Uber, get a wife, LYFT. Do one of those things to keep yourself and others safe on the road, please. So with that being said, that's the end of my 5,000 subscriber celebration video. I'm Adventure Link. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, past, present, and future of the channel. Thank you for getting to 5,000 subscribers. Without your help and all you guys rating, commenting, subscribing, sharing with your friends and family, and ringing the bell, I wouldn't be at this point. Hopefully I can, get to 6,000, 7,000 and beyond. Will we be there? Who knows? Only I will knows. But as long as you guys keep subscribing, as long as you all keep interacting with the videos, I'll keep making more videos. Of course, when I get time and ideas. Special thanks goes out to KY Leia on Facebook for being a patron. They're also known as KY on Patreon, by the way. If you do have any questions, comments, concerns about this video, or want to wish me congratulations on 5,000 subscribers, hit me up down in the YouTube comments below this video. Like I keep saying, please don't forget to otherwise rate, share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, and if you never want to miss another video from me again, you already know what to do. Ring that bell! Medical bill donations, social media, video description. Please consider donating. Please consider following me on social media. Any dollar amount helps out for the donations. And as Games with a Grave say, it'll keep this channel and myself alive and undead. Now, with that being said, we're going to sign off with the wise words of wisdom from Eric the Core Guy. Be safe, have fun, and of course, stay dirty. And as Eric O would say, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care. Thanks again, everybody, for getting us to 5,000 subscribers. And I said us is because, it's a team effort. I make the videos. As long as you all keep watching and get attracted to them and keep subscribing, I keep making more videos. Yay! But with that being said, see you all for the next video.